Hello everyone. Welcome. Welcome to Trupti's Craft. My name is Trupti and I am paper quilling artist. So how are you doing today? I hope you are having great evening. So let's start. First, let me show you some of my creations. This was a little bit busy week for me. So I did a lot of uh, create a lot of frames. So let me start with this flower frame. One of my friend paper quilling, she also does paper quilling, so she uploaded the video, tutorial video of this flower. So I followed that tutorial and I made this flower frame. So I am thinking of making different colors flowers and uh, then glue it on this, and you can I am thinking of making maybe three color flowers so that I can arrange uh, those flowers on the those frames, different color flower frames on the wall. That will be nice display, isn't it? So this is one. Then I also made one ornament, new design of ornament like this. So I use this similar twisted loops petal here, and then I added some eye shapes and other shapes to make this ornament. So size of this ornament is 3 by 3 inches. So this is second one. Next one, so October is breast cancer breast cancer awareness month, right? So one of my friends suggested me to do cancer ribbon frame. So I created this frame. So this is simple frame. I just outlined the ribbon and I just glued paper strips like this. So the size of this frame is 5 by 7 frame. After completing this frame, i I got another idea for this frame, so I made one more uh, ribbon frame, but this time with different technique. So in this I use these small beehives. This technique is called beehive techniques, and I also use one shade of another shade of pink also. So this is little bit time taking compared to this one, but I enjoyed making both of them. So let me know which one you like most. So I am also thinking of making different color cancer ribbons. So uh, let me know which design did you like it. So these two one, and maybe you know that, right? I one of my customer gave me order for Christmas. She wanted 9 family heart frames. So I already done with 4 of them, and today I finished one more. So this is the color combination I used. So this is aqua and cream color theme, and I used gray color as a background, and for the letter letter background I use navy color. So I need to make three more frames with different color combinations. So let's see, but I have a lot of time. She needs this in December, so I can make it. So this week I made these frames, and I also made couple of cards. So I will today I will show you how to make those cards. So let me adjust my another camera so that you can see it properly. Okay, let me add. Okay, Today is second week of 12 weeks of paper quilling, Christmas paper quilling lives, right? So today I am going to show you how to make points, poinsettia flower card. It's very easy card. To make this card, you will need red, green, and yellow color strips. And we have to make eye shapes. So let me grab my circle sizer. So I was making cards, so I already have some shapes ready, so it will be easy for me. But don't worry, I am going to show you how to make those shapes. So let's take red strip and let's make eye shape. So to make eye shape, take strip, insert that strip inside the slot like this, and then hold it like this and roll it carefully. Don't push it, just hold gently and roll it. If you push it, your coil will not open, so just roll it gently. Don't give a lot of pressure. Now, remove this coil from the slot gently and decide which size circle you want to make. So I want to make this size circle. So put this tight coil inside the circle. We need same size petals, right? That's why we need same size loose coils. That's why we are using this circle sizer. Now what we can do, take glue. If you want, you can glue the open end here only, or what I do, I will remove this coil, and this is open end, right? So hold the coil like this. So this is open end, hold it like this, and we have to pinch from both sides like this. So you have to make eye shape. Excuse me. And then this is the open end, right? So just put tiny bit glue and hold it for a few seconds. So this is eye shape. Let me show you again. Take one strip, insert the strip inside the slot, and then hold it gently and roll it. So for this card, we are just going to use eye shapes. So it's very easy. So just remove it and keep this tight coil on this board. And then if you want, you can put glue here and you can glue the end here. If you think it's easy for you, you can do that also. And then let this dry for a few seconds. Excuse me. And then remove it. And this is the glue part. Can you see bump here? So this is glue part. So hold coil like this and then pinch it like this. So this is eye shape. So you will need 8 red color eye shapes. So let's make a flower. Take board, another board. Take some pins. Okay. Now we have to glue it. Glue, put it on the board, and then put pins like this So like this you can glue all 8 petals. If you want, you can make magnet with this flower, or you can make ornament also. So it's up to you what you wanna make it. So I'm almost done. And we are also gonna make leaves. For leaves also, we are going to make eye shapes. So I already made leaves, so we don't have to wait or create those leaves. So like this you can glue all petals. I already created one flower. It is dry now. If I try to lift this flower, right, it will it's not dry, so it will break. So I already created one flower. Now let's remove pins. Remember, don't just remove pins like this. Hold your fingers like this and then remove it. Sometimes what happen, if you try to remove this pin like this, the middle part will come out. So it will be a little bit hard for you to again arrange that petal. So just keep your fingers like this and then remove it like this. Now take one card base and try to find the middle part, center of the card. So usually what I do, I just keep my fingers and I just take pin and make a mark there. Now take the flower, just let's put glue on the back of the flower, and then glue it like this. Press it again, check, yes, it's a center. Just press it for some time. Now we are going to make middle part of this flower. Mm, for that we will take yellow color strip, very tiny bit strip, and we will make tight coil. So take strip and roll it and put glue, hold it for few seconds. So you need 3 small tight coils. Now it's dry, just remove it carefully. Now I already made 2 more tight coils. So let's glue these tight coils. So this is center, just put glue and glue these 3 tight coils. Oops, I need tweezer for this. So glue it carefully. Now we are going to glue some leaves. So for that, what we are going to do, you are going to use same eye shapes. So what I am going to do, I am going to make leaves like this. So take one eye shape, put glue like this, glue another eye shape like this, and then put glue and put glue and keep one more eye shape there and hold it for few seconds. Then your leaf will look like this. So I'm going to make two of them. I already made one more. So I'm going to glue these two petals, sorry, two leaves here. So just put glue on the back and press it. Another one. Glue it. Press it. Now what I am going to do, I am going to glue more leaves in between these petals. So you can just put glue like this and glue all other leaves. If you want, you can just make your own design with these flowers. But I love this design. So most of the time, I make Christmas cards like this. So I'm going to donate these cards to one of my friends' charity. She uh, helps cancer patients. So I'm last month also I gave some cards to donate for donation, and for Christmas also I'm going to make some Christmas cards and I will donate them in the month of November, that everyone will go get those cards for the Christmas season, Christmas holiday. So your card is ready. So you can see, so this is very simple but beautiful Christmas card. So I hope you like watching and learning how to make this Christmas card, and I hope you learn something by watching my videos. If you are doing quilling by watching my video, don't forget to take a picture and share that picture with me. I would love to see your creations. And if you want to learn something else, you can also send me a message. I will try to show that for you. And if you have any questions related to quilling, you can contact me anytime. I would love to help you. So that's it for today. Good night and happy quilling. Bye.